Hello YouTube. I feel like taking you guys on a trip outside. So here we go.
You there for lunch, yeah? This has never been so easy.
Well, we're out here. It's not much. But there's some birds over there. And, I don't care what those people in the car think. And they're probably thinking, why is this guy talking to his computer and walking around? But I don't care what they think. How about they think I'm recording a video first? Okay. There's a bike. And there's this house. And here is the backyard. And everything. Little bird feeder. A little bird feeder. Yeah, my English acting sucks. It sucks. Yeah, it pretty much sucks. Oh, I don't want to step in that mud. But here are some cool trees. Stand back away so you can see them better. Yeah. Here they are. Yeah. This is what?
You keep your
meet this guy.
She's in there in bed, huh?
No, I'm talking to the people.
Oh. And you keep your eye on Granny while I'm gone. I won't be gone long, just long enough to shield up and come back to the house.
Okay. Bye. Okay. We're still wandering around, looking around. There's some beautiful flowers and cool bugs. Yeah, the bugs flying around the flowers add a special effect. Makes me think of the long time ago when Jesus walked the earth, or where Adam and Eve were here. Yep. I jumped over that crack. I jumped over that crack. What is this thing? There's a little tin can man. The bird feeder. And then there's some pretty flowers. Tell me if you like the flowers. These flowers. Okay. I guess we're going back inside now. You'll see this in a minute.